To split screen on YouTube TV, start by opening the YouTube TV app on your device. This feature allows you to watch multiple channels or programs simultaneously, making it easier to keep up with your favorite shows or sports events. First, ensure your device is connected to the internet and that you have a stable connection. Next, navigate to the YouTube TV home screen and select the Live tab. From here, you can browse through the available channels and select the first channel you want to watch. To add a second channel, click on the plus icon or the Add button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a new window where you can browse and select the second channel. You can choose from the list of available channels or search for a specific program. Once you have selected the second channel, you will see both channels displayed on the screen simultaneously. You can adjust the screen layout by clicking on the settings icon, usually represented by a gear or cog. From here, you can choose the layout that works best for you, such as a side-by-side or picture-in-picture layout. To switch between the two channels, simply click on the channel you want to watch. You can also use the audio button to switch the audio between the two channels. This feature is particularly useful if you want to watch one channel but listen to the audio of another. To remove one of the channels, click on the minus icon or the remove button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you back to the single channel view. Best practices for using the split screen feature on YouTube TV include ensuring a stable internet connection to prevent buffering or lag, and adjusting the screen layout to suit your viewing preferences. It is also a good idea to check the system requirements for your device to ensure it can handle the split screen feature. In conclusion, splitting the screen on YouTube TV is a simple and convenient way to watch multiple channels or programs at the same time. By following these steps and tips, you can make the most of this feature and enhance your viewing experience.